Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to unbox an Elgato 4K-X. So this video is not sponsored in any way, but I like the Elgato products a lot for myself. So that's basically why I bought this. I think they make like the best game captures in the whole world, and I wanted to make some gaming content in 4K 120 FPS in HDR10, and with this little device I'm able to do it. You know, we have high frame rate support, ultra low latency, HDR10 capture, HDR10 tone mapping, audio input, HDMI 2.1 interface, and the USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface. In the box we will have the game capture, the USB Type-C to C cable, and an AK HDMI cable. So yeah, I should say let's unbox it. So first of all, we're gonna open this. So then I will open this. So here we get like another box. Here we have some information in Chinese and a little bit information in English. So here we have like a little bit information in all the different languages. You can go to their website to download the software, and here you see like a little bit pictures of how you need to do it. So basically you just need to put the USB-C in your game capture and then into your computer, and then you will put the HDMI cable from your console to the game capture, and another one, HDMI cable from your game capture to your monitor. And then you will just have to put the software on your PC, and then you are ready to go. So here we have like a little bit paper. Then we see here the game capture itself. Like you see here, HDMI in, USB-C and HDMI out. And then here you see the information of the game capture. And then if we take this out, we have the cables. We get like one HDMI cable and one USB Type-C cable. So that's everything we have in the box. So as you can see, here goes the HDMI in, here goes the HDMI out, and then here we have the USB Type-C. And here we can plug in the audio.